Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we're making a 3-peg, a double bead rubber band bracelet. This is just like these bracelets but these only have one bead, which is just like this without the bead. We're going to be using rubber bands, beads, an easy looper bracelet maker, a hook, a Waldo wire, and a large jump ring. Aside from the basics of this bracelet, I would like to introduce to you a new design concept, adding some plain rubber bands right before you start your beaded rubber band in your construction. So we're going to do that. But to begin with, we're going to bead some rubber bands. So we'll start with a Waldo wire, and the Waldo wire is just a piece of wire bent in half to put your rubber bands through the beads. And what I've done is I've done this small, very thin wire bent in half. This is 24 gauge. So I've already done some of these, and all you have to do is stretch your bead, put it through, and we're going to put 2 beads. That's why it says double bead. So every tier is going to have 2 instead of 1. And there you go, there's 2. Take your Waldo wire off. Stretch your rubber band. Hook it right through. Take 2 beads, pull it through, take it off. One more so you get the idea. And 2 beads. And I've already done some more. So now to our easy looper bracelet maker. This is just like a regular easy looper bracelet maker, except I've cut off 3 of the pegs to make it easier for illustration. So, and I've also marked it in the back so I can keep them all facing one direction. Makes it your rubber band from going squiggly in the back. So to begin with, we're going to start with some plain rubber bands, like I said. So just across, bring it back, push it down, across, bring it back. This time we're going to loop. See, that's the one behind. And adjust a little if you need to. Again. Across, take it back, and bead through. Okay, so we've got, well, let me put one more. So 4 should be enough for the base. And now we're going to start with our beads. So we're going to put this rubber band right across the front, and we're going to take this middle here hook it across, like so. Your beads are going to be right there on the side there. Okay. Now you hook. This is going to have the rubber bands from the bottom and the rubber bands from below it, so you're going to have a little more. It's going to be a little trickier, so because you have double rubber bands to begin with. So now we're beginning our pattern. Push that down. Rubber band with beads across. Push that across. Pull your set of rubber bands below, above. And this one only has one, but these have two. And let's do one more. Push that down. Might want to pull your beads across. And if you need to use the hook, go ahead. Now I only did one there, so let's be careful. There you go. And adjust a little. Push down. Hook another one on there. Cross and hook. And we're going to keep on going. Thank you. Okay, folks, we're getting towards the end. So here's what it looks like. It's a little crooked, but we can adjust this. The first thing you want to do is stretch this. That'll help some of it. And hold it just for a second. So let it go. Now you're going to see that some of these are a little shorter than the other ones. So you can take a pick, a toothpick or whatever. This is an awl. So you can come in here and sort of pull and adjust. Of course, the other thing you can do is just put this around a soda bottle or something like that, and it'll adjust better by itself. So I'm going to show you a different way. We're going to put two more of these on here. I'm going to show you a different way to do this. So we put this on the first peg, around the back, and to the front. And make sure your beads are right on these two sides. And what I want to do, what I would prefer to do is, okay, these is the one with a double on the back, double loops. So I like to do those first because otherwise I will forget. So there you go, just do it from the back. And push it down. Now when you do this, so you can make it easier when looping this one, because you know it's got 4 bands there and sometimes it's difficult. Push this to the front. Okay, so let's do one more. Up and over, up and over. Push that down. And remember, you can pull this to adjust these in the batter and to the bottom. That way you have more space here to loop over. Now we're just going to do plain rubber bands. Let's do a few. Let's do 4. So across, loop it back. Push that down. Of course, I didn't adjust like I told you, but the back one. So there you go. Okay, so that is about it. So we need to now put our jump ring in. Now what you want to do is you want to take these 3 rubber bands here in the bottom, because remember we started with 3 pegs. So we're going to take our jump ring, open it up just a little, and put it through those 3. Okay. You can close this for now. Now we're going to go to this side and take our hook, and we're going to remove these. I am going to be adjusting some of the bracelet on the bottom. Okay. So we're going to take this off. Open our jump ring again and push those through. To those 3. Does it want to? There you go. Now, doesn't that look like a Geode? So as always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it. Why not subscribe? Ring the bell. Bye bye till the next one.